Hello. Today we got this week's prizing for the weekend. I won the Maximum Gold winner box again. So we got another display case to open. Plus we got our packs from our canned food drive. Plus 2 entries of regular tournaments for this weekend. We'll start off with the Dawn of Majesty because it's probably the least exciting. Yeah, just always support your local game store. And we'll probably just go through these pretty quick because Dawn of Majesty doesn't really have too much to offer, especially out of 4 random packs. Got a B Trooper Armor Horn. That's probably the better super to get out of here, to be honest. Alrighty. Amazement. Alrighty. Let's see if we can get at least an ultra. This pack kind of feels a little thick. Huh? Stardust Illumination. At least we got an ultra. Alright. We'll move on to the 17. We got 2 of those. Got a Yazi. That's pretty good. And a Cyber Dragon Nova. Alright, second pack of 17. This actually has, it kind of looked like a Scrap Raptor. Is a pretty good one. I thought I might have actually had an extra card in that one. It just came out weird. Alright, OTS 10. You got the Breaker and a Salomon Great Mole. Alright, we'll clean this up a little bit. And we'll move on to the Maximum Golds. Alright, this is the third display case that I have opened on this channel. Really hoping for a Red Eyes finally. Oh, this kind of just got like crammed up in here. kind of a lot of extra air in that pack. Alrighty. Let's see what we get out of the first pack. We got a Starlight Road and a Plasma. Plasmas are nice. Second pack. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Alright. Ghost Mourner and Moonlight Chill. Alternate art. Put that over here with the Plasma. And a Doka. I've noticed a lot of these rares are kind of short printed. 2 displays and I've only gotten 1 Baby Sarasaurus. Oh, that's the first fossil dino out of the other displays that I've gotten. A C1000. Alright, last pack of the this box, mini box. Nimron, Colin, and Lagia. Alrighty, moving right on. Alright, first pack of the second box. Lost World, Broken Line, Scrap Chimera, and another Ghost Mourner and Moonlight Chill. Regular art. Alright, moving on along. Number 3, Invocation. Y'all know by now that every time I pull Invocation, they come in 2s. An IP Masquerena. It's pretty good. Kind of wish it was the alternate art. Alright, next pack. Weather Paintery. Oracle, Unicorn. Again, wish it was the alternate art. Alright. Let's keep this trucking. All doesn't matter unless we get a Red Eyes. Gold Circ. Matches the map pretty nicely. Number 2. And Invoked Mechaba. You always got to get the one Mechaba with the 2 invocations out of these. Alright. Maybe next time I'll unbox all these beforehand. Alright, third box. Let's see some Red Eyes, which I did not get a... What did I tell you? Second invocation. And, alright, there we go. We got it.
You got it?
Yeah, got it.
Sweet.
That was my main one out of this. Alrighty. Ooh, a second plasma. Those look, ooh, back to back. Still have not seen one baby Ceresaurus in the rare slot. Got the second Gold Sark. This one I pull a lot, especially if you see my first box opening. Oh, and then we got a hot red. Like I ended up pulling 5 Lenas out of the first one, 2 out of the second one. Got a Rocket Tracer. That's kind of spoiled that one. With a C1000. First one of those I got. Moving on to the next one. Now if I can get one of the alternate art Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragons, that would be fantastic. I will take this box as a complete success. Alright, we're on to the fourth one. Got a Danger Nessie. Oop. It's the first Soul Eating Oviraptor I've got. Something weird in that little golden square down there. Kind of neat. It's always fun seeing the weird print qualities of these Gold Series cards. Lambda, Logia, and Regeki. Huh, the Regeki kind of does it too. And a little bit on the Logia. That's kind of funky. Alrighty, now I guess we need to hit either the Verte or the SS Code Talker. I got a lot of these out of the first box too. Ah, 3 Ghost Mourners and Moonlight Chill. I guess that ain't too bad. Alright, Print Kids. First Rainbow Neos of the box. Second Rocket Tracer. Second IP. Wish it was the alternate art. Alrighty. Last box of this display. All in all, I got my red eyes. I can't be mad. Alrighty, first pack of the last box. Mirage. Oh, there we go. IP Masquerena alternate art. Looks gorgeous. Oh, look like we might have a... Oh, I thought that was the Golden Lord. Chamber Dragon Maid. It's also a good one. Look like this last box is going to be fire. Lost World. Eldritch, the Golden Lord. And Book of Moon. That's oddly the first Book of Moon I've gotten out of the Gold Series. The Weather Paintery. Oracle. Wow. Another Golden Lord. Gotta love that art. Yeah, this last box was kind of fire. Let's see a Verte or a SS Code Talker out of this one. And Logia and Tempest. And I believe there was no baby Sarasaurus out of this one either. What a shame. No Upstart Goblins either. I think that's actually the first black collapse serpent that I got. Alrighty. Thank you for watching. Glad I got my red eyes finally. like, subscribe, comment down below. If you want to see anything else, make sure you support your locals. And I'll see y'all next time.